Welcome to WUH Creator. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a shortcut key for any application on your PC easily and quickly. So, let's get started. First, simply right-click on the application you want to create a shortcut for example, CapCut. Now, click on Properties. Next, go to the Shortcut tab. Here, you'll see an option labeled Shortcut Key. By default, it says None, which means no shortcut has been assigned yet. Now, simply click in that box and type any letter you want to use for the shortcut. For example, I'll type Q. Automatically, Ctrl plus Alt will be added before it, so the shortcut becomes Ctrl plus Alt plus Q. Finally, click on Apply. And then OK. Now, let's test it out. When we press Ctrl plus Alt plus Q, the CapCut application opens instantly. And that's it, you've successfully created a shortcut for your app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WUH Creator for more useful tech tutorials. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.